Hello Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome na welcome din kayo. Thank you po sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. Tignan po natin ngayon ang mga messages ninyo for October 21st. Archangel Zadkiel, Cancer, yun ang paunang card ninyo. Self-acceptance, compassion, forgiveness. So, punong-puno kayo ngayon ng pagmamahal. You're choosing love dito, no? By having compassion, forgiveness, and self-acceptance, you're choosing love dito. Natanggap na ninyo ngayon kung ano man ang naging sitwasyon. You are learning to accept that. You are learning to open up your heart ngayon to forgive na, no? And, mas ang compassion ang namamayani sa puso ninyo ngayon, Cancer. Kaya maluwag ang inyong pakiramdam, no? Magiging maluwag ang inyong pakiramdam, parang mabubunutan na din kayo ng tinik, kumbaga, sa dibdib, no? Dahil magpapatawad na kayo. Magpapatawad na kayo. You are open to forgiveness. You are open to love ngayon, no? Instead na mag-harbor kayo ng galit, ng resentments, no? You are letting that go, no? Yung mga feelings na ganyan, and you are replacing that with love. Kaya may kapatawaran na ngayon, may puwang na sa pagpapatawad ang puso ninyo. Teacher, ayan, learning a new path, ayan. So maybe ang iba sa inyo is a teacher by profession, maaring ganon, Cancer, or maybe you have so much, learnings in life that you are willing to share that with other people, no, in any way. So maaring ganon din ang ganap, or maaari din naman ang iba sa inyo is looking for a teacher, looking for a mentor, looking for someone, no, na makakapagturo sa iyo or makakapaggabay sa inyo na mas mahon ninyo ang mga talents ninyo na skills and gifts. Maaari din ganon ang ganap. Maaari din ang iba sa inyo dito is learning or continue to learn about something. Maaring gift ninyo, no? Gusto ninyong mas mahon pa yan, mas ma-develop pa yan, because maybe you are thinking of taking a different path, no? Career-wise, maaring ganun din ang ganap dito, Cancer, no? So, busy si Cancer ngayon for learning, for educating yourself, no? Good luck to that. So, we have Goddess of Dreams. Ayan. So, your intuition will be on point around this time, Cancer. Lagi naman na malakas ang inyong radar, pero mas malakas pa sa ngayon, ano? There are going to be, intuitive messages na continuously na pinapadala sa inyo ng Divine Universe dito to guide you, no? To guide you kung ano ang nararapat ninyong gawin sa buhay, para gabayan kayo dito sa kung ano man ang mga steps na kailangan ninyong ginagawa, yung mga ganun ba, no? And yung receptivity ninyo ngayon, yung vessel ninyo dito sa pagsalo ng mga intuitive messages, bukang-buka, no? Kasi parang siya, ang napipick up ko dito, Cancer, madalas talaga kayong nag-tune in sa inyong intuition. Kaya parang laging empty yung intuition ninyo, yung vessel ninyo, no? Ng pag-receive ng mga intuitive messages. It's because lagi ninyong pinipick up yan. Lagi ninyong sinusunod, lagi ninyong pinapakinggan. And God is also always sending you intuitive messages, no? Para gabayan kayo lagi. Yun ang napipick up ko, lagi kayong divinely guided, no? So ngayon, again, this is reminding you, no, that there are a lot of downloads na papasok sa inyo dito, no? And even vision, no? Yung psychic abilities ninyo this time, Cancer, is going to be on point talaga. Kaya there could be vision, there could be intuitive messages, no, na ipapadala sa inyo ang Divine Universe, and even messages, no, divine guidance through your dreams, no? Maaring magkaroon din kayo niyan, Cancer. Kaya pay attention to your dreams then, no? Make sure na kung natatandaan pa ninyo kung anong elements na na-pick up ninyo dyan sa panaginip ninyo, make sure that you write it down, i-decode ninyo ang meaning yan, i-google ninyo, at isulat ninyo, because that could be your reference, no, for the future, no? So what else? We have wisdom of the Magi. Ayan. So you are getting the clarity that you need sa ngayon, and maybe because through your intuition, through the vision ipapadala sa inyo ng Divine Universe, no? So makukuha ninyo kung ano man yung kalabuan sa isip ninyo ngayon. Maaring may mga uncertainty dyan, you have nothing to worry about. No, you have nothing to worry about. You just have to listen, tune in to your intuition, and you will get the clarity that you need. No. What else? We have thought vibrations. Ayan. See? Signature signals, resonant traces, thought vibrations. So, it feels like to me, daming downloads. Ang daming downloads na pinapadala sa inyo dito. There are a lot of information siguro dito na pinapadala sa inyo ang Divine Universe na kailangan nyo kasi. May mga downloads na kailangan ninyong mapakinggan, malaman sa ngayon to help your situation sa ngayon, Cancer. Maaari talaga na maraming bagay dito ang iniisip ninyo, no? Maaring nagsasanga-sanga na naman ang isip ninyo dito at maaring may kalituhan, no? Kahit papaano parang maybe confused kayo kung alin ang uunahin siguro ninyo, alin ang ipa-prioritize na inyo, which one is going to be to be done first, no? Maaring may mga ganong sitwasyon, kaya naman you need some mental clarity, and that's why the Divine Universe is always guiding you, is always helping your plans, no? Kaya lagi kang may pinapadala ng support, no, including intuitive guidance, intuitive messages, no, and dito may mga signals na pinapadala sa inyo dito, may mga downloads, no, na mahalagang downloads na pinapadala sa inyo dito para makatulong na malinawan ang inyong isipan, okay, makita ninyo ang tamang daan. So, good luck, Cancer, and that's all I have for you for today. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kumusta po kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. And kung bago kayo dito, welcome na welcome din po kayo. Thank you po sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. Tignan po natin ngayon ang mga messages ninyo for October 21st. Scorpio. First message ninyo is wisdom of the Magi, mental clarity. Some of you dito, Scorpio, yun ang kailangan ninyo, mental clarity, no? You need some kind of enlightenment then, no? Maybe ang iba sa inyo still doing research, maaring nagtatanong-tanong din ang iba sa inyo sa ibang tao. You're looking for something that can help you na makita ninyo ang truth and heart of your situation. Kasi maaring may confusion, may parang muddled mind si Scorpio sa ngayon, ano? So, yun, you will get that, no? You will get that. Kung yan ang kailangan ninyo, there are people that can help you na makuha ninyo kung ano ang impormasyon na kailangan ninyo na makakatulong na magkaroon kayo ng mental clarity, no, Scorpio? We have conscious steps, considered action, looking forward. You are going to definitely get whatever you need right now pagdating naman sa clear thinking, no? Para magkaroon kayo ng clear thinking. Kasi yung next na gagawin ninyo is you're going to take conscious steps, no? You are looking forward, no? At paano kayo pa-move forward kayo. There's no looking back. Walang pagpo-procrastinate dito. Yun ang aking napapansin dito, no? Sa conscious steps energy. Kaya kayo, definitely makukuha ninyo ang clarity na kailangan ninyo because you would be able to decide na of what you are going to do next, no? You are going to decide kung saan at kailan kayo aalis or saan kayo pupunta, yung mga ganon. So, you will get what you really need pagdating dyan sa mga impormasyon na kailangan ninyo, no? And some of you may need also to quiet your mind, no, in order for you to get clarity. Then kasi maaari din ang iba sa inyo dito, you've been asking other people, no, maybe you're gathering information from other people, but maybe may mga bagay na hindi talaga ninyo makuha, 'di ba? Kaya hanggang ngayon siguro nalalabuan ang isip ninyo regarding a certain thing because maring hindi ninyo nakukuha yung mga impormasyon doon sa mga taong pinagtatanungan ninyo, no? But maybe because what you need to hear, Scorpio, is from deep within you, no? Maaring ang tinatanong ninyo, talaga hindi ninyo mahahanap ang sagot yan from your outside world dahil pala ang kasagutan niyan ay makukuha ninyo from deep within you. So you may need to quiet your mind, relax your body, magmuni-muni kayo, mag-reflect kayo, mag-introspection kayo. And you need to listen to your heart, listen to your soul, no? Because it feels like diyan manggagaling, no? Ang impormasyon din na kailangan ninyo para magkaroon din kayo ng enlightenment, no? So what else? We have beneath the surface. Ayan. So may mga hinahanap talaga kayo. You are curious about something, Scorpio. But it feels like to me, no, na kung hindi ninyo makita or marinig from your outside world or from other people na nakakausap ninyo or pinagtatanungan ninyo, no, go deep within. No, Scorpio, go deep within dahil diyan ninyo yan mahahanap, no? Maybe you will be sent signs, symbols, synchronicities, intuitive messages, no? Also by the divine to send you the information na kailangan ninyo, no? Na makakasagot sa inyong mga tanong that can clarify kung ano man ang gusto ninyong maliwnawan, no, Scorpio? So, yun, there is something talaga na gusto ninyong malaman, gusto ninyong madiskubre, gusto ninyong matutunan, no? So, what else for Scorpio? We have past life guides, ayan. You know what, Scorpio? Yung mga, you had a relationship with other people in the past life, and ngayon they are coming back to you, no? They are trying to connect with you, they are trying to help you in any way they can, you know, pero maaring kailangan ninyo talaga na magmuni-muni kayo, mag-reflect, mag-meditate, i-quiet ninyo ang inyong isipan, because maybe you will get the information or you will get the nudge, no, coming from this people from your past lives, no, because they are trying to maybe spirit guides nyo sila, no, yung mga kakilala ninyo or mga kaibigan ninyo, no, from your past lives, no, maaring they are your spirit guides na ngayon, kaya they are trying to help you sa kung ano man ang sitwasyon ninyo sa ngayon, Scorpio. They are trying to connect with you, no, because they want to help you. So Scorpio, that's all I have for you for today. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome na welcome kayo. And thank you po sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. At tingnan natin ang mga messages ninyo for October 21st, Pisces. Balance. Ayan. So this is calling you, no, to bring the balance back in your life. Magkaroon kayo ng equilibrium muli. No, Pisces, it is a must for you to get back to your center. Kasi maaring distracted kayo, no, lately. Maaring ang dami ninyong extrang ginagawa na and that's not normally part of your daily routine. Maaring ganon. Maari din na there are so many other things ngayon na pumapasok at kailangan ninyong pagtuunan ng pansin. Or maybe, other areas of your life, no, ngayon mas nangangailangan ng iyong atensyon at oras. So, maaring may ganong sitwasyon. Kaya, parang nawala kayo sa balanse, no? Ngayon, this is reminding you or this is nudging you, no, Pisces, na ibalik nyo na sa balanse ang sarili ninyo, ang buhay ninyo, nang sa ganon, mabibigyan nyo ng atensyon at oras ang lahat ng parte ng buhay ninyo. So wala na kayong ma-overlook, wala kayong ma-neglect, no, because it may cause talaga imbalance, no, major imbalance kung magtutuloy-tuloy ang ang imbalance na to, no. This is also reminding you, Pisces, na above anything else or above anyone else, no, kailangan ang pagsa-self-care ninyo or yung well-being ninyo, yung health ninyo should be always on top of your priorities. Nang sa gayon, kahit marami kayong gagawin, kahit marami kayong inaasikaso or dapat asikasuhin, you know, when you are feeling great, no, pag okay kayo, malakas ang inyong pangangatawan, healthy kayo, you can take care of everything, 'Diba? Kasi you will be on top of your health. Kaya yun ang paalala sa inyo dito, no? Self-care is a must sa ngayon for you, Pisces. Okay? We have achievement, napakaganda, no? Ito siguro ang isa sa pinagkakabisihan ninyo, no? Whatever this is, you know, you are going to complete it. With flying colors. Kayo, may achievement, may accomplishment dito, and you may receive reward, no? Para dyan sa hard work na ginawa ninyo. That could be financial reward, Pisces, no? That could be financial reward. So, masaya, may accomplishment kayo. You are entitled to celebrate that, no? Nagsiselebrate na nga siya dito, eh. Nakarating na siya sa finish line. Finally, 'di ba? It has come to its completion. It has come to its full cycle na. That's why talagang masaya ka. Magiging excited ka dito. So, it feels like to me, no, na maaring ito yung kumuha ng sobra ninyong attention lately towards the end, no? Finishing touches na lang siguro sa kung ano man ang gawa ninyo dito na mako-complete na ninyo. Kaya medyo nagkaroon ng imbalance, no? But now that it's accomplished na, you've achieved na the goal, so maaring maibalik na talaga ninyo ang balance, no? Relaxation, yes, look at that. Ito na yon, no? Happy times, magiging masayang masaya talaga si Pisces ngayon, at magiging magkakaroon na kayo ngayon ng peace and tranquility, no? Serenity. Dahil siguro nag-worry kayo about this. Kung ano man ang pinagkaabalahan ninyo dito na ma-accomplish na, maybe na-stress kayo dyan, ano? Na-stress kayo hindi lang physically but mentally din, ano? Kaya ngayon, no, it's time to relax, no? Tapos nyo na to, na nakalating na kayo sa finish line, na-achieve nyo na ang goal niyo dyan. It's time for you to rest, okay? It's time for you to relax. Enjoy your accomplishment, no? Savor niyo accomplishment ninyo yun na yan, and then enjoy the serenity, enjoy happiness, enjoy your achievement, and asikasuhin nyo naman ngayon ang inyong pangangatawan, ang inyong kalusugan, ang inyong sarili, okay? We have attachment and longing and desperation. Ayan. So maybe ang iba sa inyo dito, no, is feeling alone, feeling isolated, maaring ganon. That's why you are longing for someone, or maybe, you know, someone is dito, Pisces, needing someone, no? Needing someone or needing some help, no? Maaring ganon ang ganap dito. Ang napipick up ko dito, parang feeling stuck ang iba sa inyo dito dahil nababalot yung babae dito, na-stuck na siya sa gitna ng mga parang web, no? Spider web dito. So maybe hindi siya makagalaw, hindi siya makamove forward sa buhay niya. It's because she's feeling stuck. No, she's stuck. That's why she needs help. She needs someone to get her out of this stuck energy, dahil balot na balot siya ng mga spider web na to, hindi siya makagalaw. So maybe ganyan ang sitwasyon ng iba sa inyo dito, no? Kailangan ninyo ng tulong, kailangan ninyo ng parang magre-rescue sa inyo, parang ganon, depende sa inyong sitwasyon, ano? Pisces. Wow, we have the healing heart, love, acceptance, and romance. Ayan. So, maaaring ang, you know what, ang napipick up ko din dito for some of you. This is, of course, this is not going to resonate with everyone, Pisces, no? So, just take as it resonates po. Maybe ang iba sa inyo is stuck dito sa isang relationship, no? Maaaring you're stuck within a very unhealthy relationship, no? Maaring unhealthy ito kasi parang mabigat, no? Mabigat ang nararamdaman ko dito sa attachment card na to. So maybe this is a unhappy relationship. Maaring this is a toxic love and romantic relationship. Yun ang napipick up ko. And somebody needs to get out of this situation. Yun ang napipick up ko dito for some of you, no? Someone has to come to help you. But you know what, Pisces? Maybe, kung ganito ang inyong sitwasyon, maybe kailangan din ninyo na maglakas loob, na reach out kayo to people whom you trust, na you think also na makakatulong sa inyo now for you to get out of this situation, because maybe, you know, kailangan mo na dito ng external factor para mailabas ka sa sitwasyon na to, no? Maybe you need some help talaga financially, maaring you need some help dito emotionally, you know, kailangan mo nang mag-a-advise sa iyo, no? Maaring may mga ganon, makarinig ka ng ibang perspective naman other than yours, no? So maaring mga ganong ganap ang kailangan ninyo dito, Pisces. And if you feel, no, na kailangan na ninyo dito ng tulong ng ibang tao, reach out to people. There will always be someone that will be willing to help you, okay? As much as possible, you know, humingi na kayo ng tulong, tumawag kayo, mag-text kayo, mag-send kayo ng mensahe through other people, you know, yung mga ganon, kung sino man ang makakatulong sa inyo. Okay? But for others of you naman, this is a time for love, no? This is a time for romance. Maaring, ang iba naman sa inyo dito is going to be, overflowing with love naman, no? Na maaring nagbubukas na din ang iba sa inyo ngayon ng bagong pag-ibig, no? Nagbubukas na ng inyong sarili at ng iyong puso to love again and to allow other people to love you, no? Again, na maaaring ganun ang ganap. So, good luck. And that's all I have for you for today. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.